Welcome back to Dog and Partridge, a place of own fine craft tales. If you hadn't known before, you won't find him clapping like a chimpanzee in the House of Commons. You certainly won't find him in the Euros, or Wimbledon, or the British Grand Prix, or the Olympics. It's world famous Alan Partridge. You'll only find him here in the DMP.
I'm exclusive, bro.
He's exclusive.
I'm exclusive to the DMP. This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Oh.
Evening, bro.
Evening, bro.
It's another intro, wasn't it?
Hey.
Eh?
Getting good at that, haven't I?
Eh?
Been there for years now, haven't I?
I could be at the Euros, I reckon.
Yeah.
Might play better than some of the ones that have been playing. Sure. What?
Have you seen some of
So
these?
you're coming onto the pitch, can't you?
Have you seen some of these deep fakes on like the YouTube and whatnot with with the manager man?
I have seen Mr. Southgate. I have seen a few of them.
Yeah, it's telling everybody exactly what he thinks.
Yes. Words which will sleep after this video. If you watch the Euros, enjoy them. But the best way to enjoy them, bro, is
with a beer. Or better still, a homemade beer with your family and friends.
even better.
And then you can go outside and not watch the football.
And I'll watch football.
Watch the grass ground. I think it's more entertaining. So somebody was saying the other day, not me. Anyway,
Where are we starting, bro?
well, we're going to start with the one tin kit, the new one from Muntons.
He opened this upside down, but it's like that. So it's that. It's a bit sticky.
Yeah,
It's
that's
a
the
bit sticky. This is a Muntons Summer Ale.
Yep.
40 pints, 23 litres.
Yep.
Brewed to 4.7.
Yep.
And let me just get the gold boxes down. You could have played it, mate, and getting covered in goop here.
Oh, I did.
All right. Brew for your favourite beer styles from around the world, and with the careful crafted Muntons Connoisseurs range.
Oh, yes.
Each beer kit contains 100% hops, blah 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 blah. So this is a golden summer ale.
Yes.
Uses a combination of wheat and barley to give a malty backbone
Yes.
with a smooth, full body.
Mm-hmm.
A clean fermenting yeast produces subtle fruit notes that allow the malted cereals to be the star.
Oh, really? Okay, I didn't read that blue.
Yeah, well, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
Right, there you go. How much ish? Do you know?
This Connoisseurs range is about normally just about 18, 20 quid for the one tin. You do need an enhancer.
Okay.
I'll use Dark Rocks enhancer. With that, you can just use sugar, you can just use spray malt. Entirely up to you where you want to go with it, really.
Right, yeah.
So this is their new, like you say, summer. I thought it was summer haze because we've brewed summer haze.
No, it just says summer ale.
Well, we've brewed summer haze.
We have brewed something, well, my brother has brewed something very hazy.
So
Well,
when you
it's
brew
not quite
beers
hazy.
in the summer and you haven't got a fridge, you do struggle to clear the beer before you keg it. And this is it.
Oh, it's not bad nose. It's quite
No,
nice.
it is a fruity nose, I must admit.
It's quite fruity nose.
Yeah.
Little twang of homebrewiness to it.
Yeah, well, it's a one tin kit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yes. So it is golden. It's a bit hazy, but I'll just explain. That's probably due to the weather. It's got a nice nose.
Shall we give it a taste?
Go in.
The fruit's there.
Yeah.
It is fruity, but it's not very well balanced. So to me, it's a little bit sharp, almost.
If you hadn't said it, I would have said the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit sharp.
Bit sharp, isn't it?
Yeah.
The fruit's there, like a grapefruity kind of peachiness, but it's all a little bit. You ain't quite got that right, sir.
A little bit.
In my mind.
It's a bit out of balance, maybe.
Yeah.
Unless it's supposed to be that.
Well, I think it's probably supposed to be that. I think it's supposed to be brewed like that. I mean, we've drunk some of the beers.
Yeah.
Some of them are not to our taste.
It's quite refreshing. It's got that, like you say, that fruity taste to it. It's just the balance is a little bit off. But with a one tin kit, I mean, you know, what we expected.
There's a strange, in my mind, there's a strange metallically aftertaste in the background. Are you getting that at all? I'm just getting a strange kind of.
Not so much, but
That's probably the grapefruit I'm getting.
yeah, probably that. Not one of the best, but not bad.
Not one of the best, but not bad. So I'm going to give it a solid 8.5.
I'll go with you. That's about as a nice for about an 8.
Yeah.
There are better Muntons kits out there.
Yeah.
But it's certainly, you know, it might be more to your taste, obviously.
Yeah.
But that's what
everybody's palate's different, but that's what we're going to review it. Give it a go, see if you like it. You might like it better than we do. I just think it's a little bit.
Are we bowling straight on to the next beer, bro?
Well, I'm bowling straight on to another one, Tinker. It's the extract review tonight, to be fair.
This one?
This one is one we've done before. It's from Dark Rock.
This is the Session Series Hoppy Days IPA. This is as my brother just said, I'll show you if you're not familiar with their one-tick and things like that. A distinctive pale ale with a hop punch delivered by fresh Mosaic and El Dorado hops. This complex hop blend provides bright tropical fruit flavours, subtle aromas of pineapple, pear, watermelon and stone fruit. And how much is one of these? About the same sort of thing?
Yeah, about the same sort of thing. Again, about 15, 16.99. You need the enhancer
as well.
5.99.
Okay.
Again, going with their enhancer.
Right, yeah.
And this could be a little bit of a competition as well at the same point in time, because we're really pitching these two one-tin kits really against each other.
Yes.
As well as reviewing them really.
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting to see what is the better in our opinion.
It's certainly a bit clearer. I can certainly see me mix through that. It's a little bit hazy, but we expect it this time of year, like we say. It's got a similar sort of nose.
Similar sort of nose, isn't it?
Yeah.
Probably not quite as sharp.
No, it's not sharp. Certainly getting that stone fruit, fruity flavour through it.
Yeah.
Should we go in?
Shall we go in?
Cheers. Oh.
That's how you do it.
That's how you do one tin kit, isn't it?
That's just blowing that one out of the water, I'm afraid. Sorry, Muntons, but
Boom.
Go see the lads at Dark Rock, because that's, as it was, probably was before, brilliant.
That makes that look silly.
Yeah.
I might want to adjust my skills.
It does, doesn't it?
Because for a one tin kit, that's lovely. It rolls over your tongue.
It's lovely, smooth. The balance and the sharpness of the hops are just
right.
Just right.
There is sharpness there, but
it's
like
not,
I say,
it's not,
the bitterness and that aren't fighting each other. It's just smooth. It's lovely. It's a nice aftertaste.
That's a quality.
I'd struggle to tell that's a one tin kit, if I'm honest. That's it's great.
That's a lovely, quaffable beer. Compared to the other one, blows it out of the water.
Brilliant.
And we're going for a 10 out of 10.
I'm going for 10 out of 10 on that.
Really do try these session series. And if you do get over to Dark Rock and try the Hoppy Days and the summer whatever it is, summer ale, summer day.
Oh, the summer ale or the...
At the same time, same as us. If you put in Dark Rock's, if you're buying Dark Rock's app, Hoppy Days, put in the code DP Review, and of course you'll get it 10% cheaper.
Lovely. It's always worth a bit of money off, isn't it?
Yeah, all right.
Excellent. There you go, bro. That's fantastic. I really like that.
I love that. Yeah, that's good, that.
Oh, bloody lovely.
Anyway, before we try our next beer, we're off into the kitchen to see how we made it.
Oh, he?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. How he made it, not me.
Back in the mo. So we've got a new kit here from Muntons. The crisp, clean, fresh Kolsh style beer. I've got my 2 tins dissolving in, well, warming up, should I say, in hot water. With this particular kit, they send you a knob straining for when you remove your beer into your vessels. But I've actually used this, put my little Says hops in there, like so, put previously boiled water in there to let it, you've got to make an hop tea with this one. And then the yeast they've sent, it's K97 safe. And the range is 15 to 20 degrees, which is about the ambient temperature at the minute. So once we've dissolved these in boiling water, added the hop tea without the hops, and then topped up with cold water, we can add the yeast. Right, we'll see you soon. Right, so I've emptied the 2 tins of malt extract into the fermenter. Now I did notice one of the tins is a slightly different and slightly lighter malt extract to the other tin. So Muntons have probably used 2 different types of malt extract here. Now I've put boiling water into the tin. And I'm just going to try and get every last drop of malt extract out the tin by stirring the boiling water until the malt extract is dissolved. And that's pretty good. Once that's dissolved nicely, I'm going to put that in for the menta. Now remember guys, you will need a tea towel. This is boiling hot. So I'm going to grab that in a second, put that in there, put my hot tea in, there's my hot tea in there as well. And then I'm going to top it with cold and add my yeast. Alright, so Muntons really want you to keep this beer nice and clear. They ask you when dry hopping to put the hops inside a muslin bag or a sock or some kind. So I've got one of those food bags out of Lidl's that you can get, put fruit in, etc. And then put my hops in that, then put the hops in there. Then they send you a hop sock for your siphoning tube, but I've also got a bouncer filter as well. So they really want you to keep this beer nice and clear, so off we're going to go. We're going to get it siphoned.
Oh, we're back! Oh, we're back! I hope he edited that right, else I'm going to look a prat. Anyway, we're back. So that's how it was made.
That's how it was made. And don't forget there, that was a strange new kind of yeast I haven't come across before, K19. Yeah, so you can brew that yeast at normal room temperature as described in the video.
Okay. Yeah.
And they did want you to really get as clear as possible, not putting hops actually into the beer as described.
Hopefully that came through.
Yeah. Right, okay.
Are we going on to the next one, bro?
We'll pour it now we've made it.
So, crisp, clean freshness, Kolsh style beer.
Yeah.
Craft beer brewing kit.
Yeah, like I described in the video. Ouch.
One far.
Well, the ball walked into the shelf.
Jesus. Yeah, he's like you just said, if you just watched the little bit of the video about him making this just beforehand, brewing Muntons means more. There's a lot of detail.
There's a lot of detail in there, but there's no actual blurb on how it should taste, is
so
there?
it's a 4.8. It's Kolsh style beer.
Yeah, that's about it. That's all
That's
about
it. I mean, it comes in a nice recycled box and everything. It looks a bit like that.
Yeah.
If you want to look at that one.
And that's brand new out, sent to us by those lovely guys at Muntons. Again, thank you for sending those two beers. They, yeah.
Now, I'm not really familiar with this sort of style of beer.
It's just German Pilsnery type beer.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I don't drink a lot of that, so, you know.
And looking at the colour on the box, we're not far out from the colour of the beer on the box. It's an amber beer.
It's an ambery sort of beer.
I expected Kolsh to be more lager-esque.
A lighter than that I was expecting, if I'm honest.
Yeah, same here. Yeah. So I put it in a lager-esque type glass. I did carb it. We're not getting much fizz there, to be fair. But yeah. Have we got any smells coming through, bro?
Bubblegum.
Can you?
Well, that's sort of smell for me.
Well, if there's any bubblegum, it should be from the yeast.
Yeah.
There's says hops in it, as described in the video, but
what do you get?
Not a lot of anything, if I'm honest.
Yeah,
More malt, if I'm honest, than anything.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. So we go.
Yeah.
Cheers.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. Not being familiar with the style of beer, I'm not sure about it. But it's to be honest, it's better than the first beer.
It's a lot better than the first beer. Obviously, there's 2 tins of malt extract in this. It is a lot dearer. It's near on 40 quid, I think.
You see, on my palate, I'd almost put that down for as bitter.
Almost, yes. Basically, it probably is. I don't know. German style Pilsner. So, yeah.
It's heading that way, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's heading towards an amber.
And it should probably be a bit more fizzier, but I've had a little bit of problems with my gas, if I'm honest. But I don't think that's going to alter the taste.
I don't mind that because I'm not overly fan of fizzy beer anyway. In a way, it's quite good, that.
Quite good. It's rich, it's smooth. I think, like it says, it's a rich, smooth. I don't go about crisp and clean because I'm not quite.
No, I wouldn't say crisp and clean. I'll go more. It's
rich, smooth, and
smooth and malty, like a bit more like a traditional bitter sort of thing. It does probably help that we're serving it at quite a cold temperature through the Guinness tap. But yeah, it's nice.
Nice. It is nice. Oh, it's on par with the other hoppy days.
Yeah.
I think the smoothness and the lack of homebrew twang there for a kit is exceptional.
It's really great. Yeah.
I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10.
I can't argue against you, bro. I can't see no reason not to. It's lovely. It is refreshing. Not crisp, but refreshing probably because it's cool. Nice Nice beer. I'm quite happy.
I'll go back for another one.
Yeah, definitely.
And another one.
Yeah, most definitely.
Do that one.
Fantastic. So 2 out of 10s and a little bit of a miss.
Yeah.
That first one.
Yeah.
There you go. So I tell them their viewers over there what's
Oh,
coming
yeah,
next.
sorry. I was thinking deeply in deep thoughts about which
He was thinking beer. That's all he ever thinks about is beer. Right.
Well, that and
Well,
rugby.
rugby. Dark Rock Holden's Black Country Special.
Yes.
I presume that's a Black Country Special then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think we've done that one before.
No, I don't think we have either.
Scooch through them and see that one. If we did, I can't remember doing it. It's an all grain one, that one.
This next one rings a bell though. Dark Grain, proper job.
Yeah.
Part grain.
Yeah.
Lovely jubilee.
I thought I'd do a part grain to see how long compare and taste it did to a full grain.
And then brewed a Brundini, is that? Brundini Theoline.
Theo.
I don't know, but you can't have an L and then an.
Well, that's what I've double checked it.
Is it?
It's an IOL.
Yeah, but is it an N after? Oh, it's a Napier.
No, yeah.
Ah, now see, he hasn't got a gap between Thol and Napier.
Thol. We've got to go with Thol.
I think so. Foil.
Brundi Thol.
Thol. Brundi Thol.
There you go.
Sounds like I've got a bit of lift.
155, eh?
Anyway, that's what's coming next. Next video.
If it's still here.
If it's still here.
The world didn't end like I predicted it was going to on,
Didn't it?
on
Kind
the
of
5th
like
of July.
just all went smoothly, didn't it? Really, that was it.
No change, I think, was what the word I was looking for.
Pretty much. No.
In fact, I've done a election special.
Oh my god.
I've brewed it myself.
All right.
And it's called the Same Old, Same Old.
Same old. Because let's face it, it probably is.
Just to say.
Same stuff, different day, as we always say. Anyway, if you like watching us and you're watching us anywhere else, get on to YouTube, hit that subscribe comment button thing, comment away. I've had too much of that. Yeah. Thanks for all your comments.
Yes. Yeah. I love replying to people. It's great fun. And we are going to try and do at some point a tour of the bar, not the bar, the cellar again, sir.
Tour of the bar. There you go. There's the tour of the bar.
There's the tour of the bar. There's the bar. Here's the other bar. There's the bar. No, but might do a tour of the cellar next time.
Right now, that's not going to be a big video, is it?
No, because the cellar's even smaller than the bar.
I mean, it might look more deceptively large on camera in here, but it's not.
No. And the cellar's even smaller.
The cellar is quite small. Right.
Right, until next time then, bro. It's a goodbye from him.
It's a goodbye from him.
Huzzah! To the king!